Budget motherboards for the 5800X are not about finding the cheapest thing with an AM4 socket. That's how you end up paying twice. The real budget win is buying a board that doesn't force you into upgrades you didn't plan for, like adding Wi-Fi later, fighting for storage space, or realizing your good deal has a layout that makes everything cramped. So the smart way to look at budget is this. You want B550, you want a clean baseline, and you want the kind of features that keep the build simple. The board that fits that, complete without overspending idea best, is the Asus TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2. This board is all about convenience and not wasting time. Built-in Wi-Fi means you don't buy a separate card. B550 means you're still on a platform that feels modern for the 5800X, with PCIe 4.0 support where it matters for typical builds. And the overall vibe of this board is set it and forget it. You build once, you don't keep solving little problems. Of course, this doesn't mean every other budget board is bad. It means a lot of budget boards are cheap in the exact wrong ways. If you're building with a 5800X, you're not trying to save a tiny amount and then spend the next year annoyed. And this is where your alternatives should be decided by your build, not by random rankings. If you're building in a micro-ATX case, the MSI B550M pro-vdh Wi-Fi makes a lot of sense. This is the compact but reasonable choice. It keeps you on B550, it keeps Wi-Fi built in, and it's common enough that you're not guessing how it behaves in real builds. The trade-off is simple. You're not buying it for luxury rear I/O or premium extras. You're buying it because it's practical and it keeps the budget under control. If your PC is always on Ethernet and you don't care about built-in wireless, the MSI B550A Pro is the clean alternative. It's basically the simple ATX foundation play. You're not paying for Wi-Fi you won't use, and you'll still get a straightforward mainstream board choice that doesn't feel sketchy. And if you're going mini-ITX, don't chase budget ITX like it's a normal thing. ITX costs more because it's small, so the smarter move is picking a known, widely used ITX board instead of gambling on a weird model just because it's slightly cheaper. That's why the ASRock B550 Phantom Gaming ITX/AX is the compact alternative that makes sense here. It keeps you on B550, and it keeps Wi-Fi included in the board, which matters because ITX builds already have enough constraints. So the budget conclusion is simple. If you want the cleanest budget build that feels complete and doesn't turn into an add-on project, the Asus TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2 is the pick. And if your case or needs change, the MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi, MSI B550A Pro, and ASRock B550 ITX option are the alternatives that still keep you in the sensible 5800X build lane.